Well, I'm an energetic, apathetic version of another person. Check out my outsides, there ain't nothing in here. Comes another one, just like the other one. Looking at himself, but wishing he was someone else. Because the posters on the wall, they don't look like a him. And all it does it up, it takes a minute. I know she said it's alright. You can make it up next time. Well, I know she knows it's not right. There ain't no use in lying. Well, maybe she thinks I know something. Maybe she thinks I'm fine. Or maybe she knows something I don't. I'm so tired of trying. It seems to me that maybe it pretty much always means no. So don't tell me, you might just let it go. And oftentimes we're lazy, seems to stand in my way. Cause no one likes to be let down. Well, I know she loves the sunrise, no longer sees it with her sleeping eyes. And I know that when she said she's gonna try, well, it might not work because of other ties. And I know she usually has some other ties. And I wouldn't wanna break them, Maybe she'll help me to untie this. Until then, I'm gonna have to lie to. It seems to me that maybe it pretty much always means no. So don't tell me, you might just let it go. And oftentimes we're lazy, it seems to stand in my way. No one likes to be let down. I got a symbol in my driveway. I got $100 million friends. I got you a brand new weapon. Let's see how destructive we can be. I got a brand new set of stencils. I've been connecting all the dots. Got my plans in a Ziploc bag. Let's see how productive we can be. I got a light bulb full of anger. I can switch it on and off. Situations, it can be so bright. I can't believe how pathetic we can be. I got a perfect set of blueprints. I'm gonna build somebody else. Might cost a little more than money, but what's man without his wealth? I got a phosphorescent secret, but don't you tell nobody else. Blah 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 blah. Bright lights flashing to cover up your lack of so many people, so many problems, so many reasons to buy another round. Drink it down, just another night on the town. With the big man, money man, better than the other man. He got the plan with the $1 million, give a damn when nobody understand. They become a smaller man, the bright lights keep flashing, man. The women keep dancing with the clowns, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pick me up when I'm down, yeah, yeah, yeah. Rodeo clowns, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pick me up when I'm down, yeah, yeah, yeah. The disco ball spinning, all the music and the women and the shots of tequila, man. They'll say that they need you, what they really need is just a little room to breathe. Teeny bopping disco queen, she barely understands her dreams. Her belly button rings and other kind of things, symbolic of change. But the thing that is strange is that change has occurred, and now she's just a part of the herd. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Man, I thought that you heard. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The change has occurred. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just a part of the herd. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Lights out, shut down, late night, wet ground. You walk by, look at him, but he can't look at you, yeah. You might feel pity, but he only feels the ground because you understand moves, but he only knows let's down. By the corner, there's another one, reaching out a hand, coming from a broken man where you try to live, but he's done trying. Not dead, but definitely dying. With the rest of the clowns, yeah, yeah. The rest of the clowns, yeah, yeah. She just wanders around, unaffected by the winter winds, yeah. And she pretends that she's somewhere else, so far and clear, 2,000 miles from here. Taylor was a good girl, never one to be late, complain, express ideas in her brain. Working on the night shift, passing out the tickets, you're gonna have to pay her if you wanna park here. Well, mommy's little dancer is quite a little secret. She's working on the streets now, never gonna keep it. Quite an imposition, and now she's only wishing that she would have listened to the words they said. Poor Taylor. Patrick bitter batters on the window. The sunny silhouette won't let him in. And poor old Peter got nothing 'cause he's been falling. And somehow Taylor knows just where he's been. He thinks that singing on Sunday's gonna save his soul. Now that Saturday's gone, and sometimes, but I can see that his brake lights are